I had my radio on the crane channel. I wasn't listening too. You got to put it on D1 and then go to crane 16, and you can hear them talking. Oh, gantry this way. They were like gantry, and then the other one was something else. So like move towards Catalina a little bit, come this way towards Pedro a little bit, see what happens. Yeah, I know. That shit. I know now it's even leaning more than before.
When it falls down, they're gonna send everybody home. You know why?
But it ain't our fault. They gotta give us 8 hours, right?
Fault. They can't fuck with the. They're gonna have to work on getting all that shit down. We cannot work around it.
It's a finish up.
I'm surprised that the
finish it.
super duper oh shit.
Oh.
No, he straightened it out.
I know when he goes against it, but now they're leaning more. See, every time he does that, they start leaning a little more,
Yeah.
When he goes against it, he straightens it out. When he goes against it, it straightens it out. But then, see, now it looks like it's leaning a little bit more. They're gonna say anything, but
some ice cream or something. Some ice cream. We need all the super duper.
See now, is that the crane? That's the crane. See, he's trying to move one way or another way to see if it'll because they're trying to get it to
a lot.
Yeah, the cone. There's one cone that's keeping it. If not, they would have been able to like pick it up and bring it out.
Why don't they cut that motherfucker off?
Because that's just gonna fall. I wouldn't want to be up there.
No, but they gotta cut it off.
They had mechanics. They had all kinds of people up there. Yeah, I don't. They're gonna have to make a decision and do something.
Yeah, because I would have cut that motherfucker off. At least fucking do something. Somebody's gonna sacrifice. Who's gonna be the sacrificial?
Hey, the bosses get paid big bucks to go up there and risk their limbs.
Not me, says.
Hey. There it goes. He got it. He got it. Oh. Put that motherfucker down and grab one from the top.
That way, yeah, and we could, oh shit, they didn't want to fuck with it. Take that crane and put it to the side. Oh, there's no more here. Oh, they got it. Yeah, there's one in the middle that there's fucked up.
I know, they ain't using the one right next to us.
Yeah. What the fuck? They're going to have everybody switch cranes right now.
I'll volunteer. Yeah. I want to make $600.